This is how you adjust the Blum hinge for our Millenia frameless cabinet line after install. Remember to use a posi screwdriver so that you won't strip the screw heads. So to adjust the door up and down, we're going to loosen the screws on the wings of the hinge, both the top and the bottom hinges. So loosen the top screw and the bottom screw, and then we can slide the door up and down to where we want it, and then we re-secure all of the screws tightly so that the door is left in place. In order to make the adjustment left and right, we use the front adjustment screw, and you can see the door moving left and right, and that allows us to get the alignment between cabinets. To then adjust in and out, front to back, we use the bottom screw, the back screw, to make that happen. Then to remove the door from the hinge plate, we simply attack the clip at the back of the hinge, like so. To replace the hinge, we secure it back, align it onto the hinge plate, and snap it back in place.